To make this delicious snack, we're going to put 1 cup of fresh raspberries in a bowl. And to this, we're going to be adding, I use the Okios 000. This has 15 grams of protein per cup. It's also sweetened with stevia, which is an extra bonus for those watching their calories and their sugar. Now remember, on the label, it's going to say that there's sugar in here because milk does contain some sugar. And we're going to add this to our raspberries. Okay. Now, I'm going to take another handy dandy tool. If you don't have one of these, this is great. We're going to take this and we're just going to mash them together. This is really a great frozen treat for those people who really need to add protein to their diets and get that protein up. If you would eat this whole container, you get 15 grams of protein, plus you have the fiber that's in the raspberries and the sweetness. We're not even adding any sugar to this at all, any kind of sugar. The stevia will add the sweetness as well, but no honey or anything like that. We don't have to add. So what we're going to do is we're going to scoop this out onto our tray. And we're going to freeze these. And it usually makes about 6, depending on how big your scoop is. And this just satisfies that sweet craving that you might have. It's kind of like a snack, like an ice cream type of thing. Now to the top, we're just going to add a little bit of granola. You don't have to if you don't want to, but it does add a little bit, a crunch to it when you're eating the dessert. And that is it. We're going to pop these into the freezer for at least an hour and a half. It just depends on how cold your freezer is, but you want to give them at least an hour and a half, and they'll set up real well. We've made a delicious and easy treat. It is full of protein, which most women need, and I'd like for you to try them today.
I'd love to try.
Okay, here's one.
They look very
take a little bite.
interesting.
They're cold.
Oh,
so
they
it's a
are
cold
cold.
treat.
It's a cold treat.
Ice cream would be.
Healthier than a Frosty.
Yeah. It is healthier than a Frosty. You're right.
Mm.
Fresh raspberries are in there.
Yes.
Yogurt.
Mm.
And a little granola.
Low in sugar. High in protein. And